So this is number of paths. On the left, we want to go from A to B, and we're wondering, well, how many ways are there to do it? So we could take the top path, like that. That's 1. We could go like that, would be 2. 3. 4, 5, 6. The last one, yeah, 6. But we don't want to count them one by one, because that would take way too long. So we need to learn the shortcut. So what we do, you start at the start. Also, you should know there's no backtracking. So, for example, we're not looking at a case like that, because that would involve going backwards, which is when you're moving away from B. So every step should be going closer to B. So how do we do it? We start at B. We start at A, sorry. And you put a little 1 at each step after the A, because there's one way to get from there to there. You then move to the next point, and you need to look backwards and add up. So we'd put a little 2 there, and that means that there's 2 ways to get from A to the middle point. A little shortcut on the edges is to do some 1s, keep the 1s going. And then for every point you need to be looking backwards. So if I look backwards from here, I'm adding up the 1 and the 2, and I get a 3. If I look backwards from here, 1 plus 2 is 3. Look backwards from here, 3 plus 3 is 6. And that means that there's 6 ways to get from A to B. So I'll do it again on the right. The little shortcut is to go 1, 1 up the edges. You then need to look backwards from every point. So here we got a 2. Here we've got a 3. This one, if you look back, it's just a 2, so 2 again. This one, if you look back, 3 plus 2, 5, 3, and therefore there's 8 total ways to get from the school to the house. So what are these 8 ways? Well, you've got the top path, you've got that path, that one. Is that 4? I know we did them in class the other day. It's getting a bit messy, so I'm not going to do them all. We did it in class. It means there's 8 total ways to get from the school to the house.